Hi there, CL2 Survival. Tonight's video, another knife review, another make I've not reviewed in a long time. Ganzo. Well, a FireBird from Ganzo. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, I've got many Ganzo. You've seen many of them. I like Ganzo. 440C, well made, well tempered, good steel, easy to sharpen and to maintain. This one being a proof. I used it and did some damage to the edge and repaired it in a few seconds. This is the FireBird F. Let me read it. 761, made by Ganzo. You can see the FireBird here, and it's in carbon fiber. They're beautiful carbon fiber. This one is through and true, so it's not a sandwich. It is true and true. It's supposed to be, if I've seen correctly, and I've read many evaluations. Yes, we can see it here. I'll give you a close-up of the knife with lots of light close. Hopefully you could be able to see it. Let's first of all focus. It's like hocus pocus. Oh yeah, seeing those wavy in the cutout? Yeah, that's the fiber that's being put through and through. So still an access lock, or the G lock, okay, for the Ganzo works well, okay. Is closing, not much by gravity, but if you swing it hard, you can succeed. Okay, so I swing it open, close it. I can swing it open if I wish with the access locks depressed. All the hardware, like many of the FireBirds, are blue, okay, except the pocket clip. This one is in satin finish, so it's a shiny finish. The pocket clip also is a satin finish. Stainless steel liner, which have been cut out to remove some weight. A small how do you call it? I have a blank. It's been a while. Insert, small back insert that keeps the knives together. I like it because it is neat. It is simple. My knife is dirty, and it is efficient. There's just, not sure if you hear it. There's something rattling inside. That's one of the rare ones I have that. But once it's open, it's probably a spring somewhere that flax, that flip-flop inside. The pins are well made. Okay, you can see them, and the other the other screws are hidden inside. There's no view on any of the pins and posts inside. And the lanyard hole, which is not badly placed, right at the end of the well, not at the end, but right at the edge of the handle. The handle is really comfortable. Okay, there's cutouts for your fingers, so there's no sharp hand. Even the pocket clips falls into the right position, so you don't feel it. Okay, the blade is thick this way, not that way. It's a standard stock for the Ganzo, on the thickness probably 3 to 4 mil, and it is a full flat ground with a secondary bevel at the end. The bevel is not badly executed. Okay, I've used this knife a bit, so I'll have to resharpen it because it is getting it has something into it already. But 440C, easy to do so. So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this knife. I'm running late for Jesse's Raindance Bushcraft live, and he's probably wondering why I'm not joined in. I wanted to finish this one tonight. So Ganzo FireBird knife from Ganzo, carbon fiber. Love their carbon fiber. I've got quite a lot carbon fiber now, but GearBest's not delivering in Canada anymore, so it's going to be very difficult to get some knife at a good price. So if you had the chance to get some Ganzo, this is a good model. Okay, I had more than one coming and I've lost at least one, so I think I have another one of that model, so we'll have to see. So Ganzo, love it. Give it the thumbs up. If you like this video, voila, I'm going ahead of myself. Give it the thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.